Bonjour à tous et bienvenue à une nouvelle classe de français. Today we are going to review a topic that we studied before in class, that is, les descriptions. Specifically, quelqu'un, that means someone. This is a topic that we study in class, but it's necessary to review, to check, to clear some doubts and questions. So let's start. Décrire quelqu'un. Une personne. A person. Describe someone. First you have le nom, to introduce the name of the person, to introduce your character. You are going to use il s'appelle or elle s'appelle. Il for masculine, elle for feminine. Il s'appelle, elle s'appelle. We also have c'est. This is another way to introduce the name of your character. C'est and then the name. Voici, like this is, or here you have, and the name of the person. So these are three ways of saying the same thing. Il s'appelle, elle s'appelle, c'est, voici. Then you have l'aspect physique, the general physical description. You have to start the physical description using il est or elle est. Il est grand, elle est grande. That means tall. Il est petit, elle est petite. That means short. Il est de taille moyenne, elle est de taille moyenne. It's the same for masculine and feminine, and you use it when it's not grand and it's not petit. It's medium size. You also have il est gros, elle est grosse. That is a little bit fat. Il est mince, elle est mince, thin. Il est maigre, elle est maigre, when it's super thin, extremely thin. When you're going to talk about the age, l'âge, you have to start using il a or elle a. The number of the age and the word un. So you say, for example, il a 14 ans, elle a 12 ans, il a 28 ans, elle a 22 ans, il a 18 ans, and like that. Or you can say, if you don't know exactly what is the number of the age, you use the word environ, that means aproximadamente. And you say, il a environ 30 ans, elle a environ 25 ans. It's not exactly, it's environ, aproximadamente. Or you can say, il est or elle est jeune, joven. Il est âgé, elle est âgée with double E. If it's masculine, only one E. If it's feminine, you add another E, and that means not so young, a little bit older. Okay? So you say, il est jeune, il est âgé, for example. We also have les yeux. Remember that this is like an I, and you have to unen el sonido de la S con un sonido como si fuera una I. And you have to say les yeux. Les yeux. And you have to start that description saying il a or elle a les yeux marron, noir, vert, bleu, gris, noisette. Noisette, it's like marron, but it's clear. It's like marron, and this is noisette, for example. So you say, here you are saying the color of the eyes. Il a les yeux bleus, for example. Elle a les yeux marrons. Il a les yeux gris. Elle a les yeux verts. Like that. And we have les cheveux. It is the hair. Les cheveux. Il a les cheveux or elle a les cheveux. Remember that this is masculine, il, and elle is feminine. Il a les cheveux or elle a les cheveux bruns, that is brown hair, noir, black hair, blond, blonde hair, roux, red hair, gris, gray hair, blanc, white hair. You can say il a or elle a les cheveux bruns, les cheveux noirs, les cheveux blonds, les cheveux roux, le cheveu gris, and le cheveu blanc. That is the color of the hair and the shape. Il a les cheveux courts, short hair, long, long hair, raide, straight hair, cabello liso, ondulé, wavy hair, ondulado, frisé, curly hair, rizado. So you can use the color and if it's short or long and the shape of the color. And you can say, for example, if I'm going to describe this one that is here, I can say, elle a, or il a, depending if it's masculine or feminine, elle a les cheveux bruns, longs et frisés. If I'm going to describe this one here, I can say, elle a les cheveux noirs, courts et ondulés, or long et ondulés. In this case here, this one here, I can say, elle a les cheveux, or il a les cheveux bruns, courts et raides. In this case here, I can say, elle a les cheveux bruns, longs et raides. Okay, so you say the color, you say if it's short or long, and you say the shape. And we have le caractère, personality, some aspects of personality. Il est, elle est, intelligent, intelligente, sympathique, antipathique, sérieux, sérieuse, bavard, bavarde, drôle, timide, gentil, gentille, créatif, créative. That's it. Let's repeat it. Il est intelligent, elle est intelligente. Il est sympathique, elle est antipathique. In the case of sympathique, antipathique is the same for masculine and feminine. Il est sérieux, elle est sérieuse. Il est bavard, elle est bavarde. Il est drôle, elle est timide. The same, you can use it. Il est drôle, elle est drôle. Il est timide, elle est timide. The same for masculine or feminine. The meaning of drôle is funny, a funny person. Il est gentil, elle est gentille. Il est créatif, elle est créative. Of course, if you are going to do a description of a character, you can use other characteristics. These are some examples, but remember that you have to start using il est, elle est, and then the adjective. We have an example here. Elle s'appelle Taylor Swift. Elle est chanteuse. Elle a 30 ans. Elle est grande. Elle est mince. Elle a les yeux bleus. Elle a les cheveux blonds, longs et ondulés. Elle est sympathique. Elle est belle. So I have all the characteristics here. I have the name. You can add something like this. You can add the occupation of the character. You have the age. You have physical descriptions. She's tall, she's thin. The color of the eyes. You have the color and the shape of the hair. And some personality description. So I repeat it. Elle s'appelle Taylor Swift. Elle est chanteuse. Elle a 30 ans. Elle est grande. Elle est mince. Elle a les yeux bleus. Elle a les cheveux blonds, longs et ondulés. Elle est sympathique. Elle est belle. Remember that you have to use, in some cases you use elle, or il est, and in some cases you use ella or illa. So you have to pay attention to that. So that's it. Please pay attention to the activity that is in Edmodo. Okay? Merci beaucoup et au revoir.